This is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I'll show how you can set up the portable Wi-Fi hotspot feature on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings. Here find and enter the other wireless connection. Find the personal hotspot, and here's the personal or portable hotspot settings and preferences. On this page, you can enable or disable the hotspot. You can change its name, the Wi-Fi network name, the hotspot name. You can switch the security protocol that it uses. You can change its password. You can switch the AP band between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. You can enable and disable the turn off hotspot automatically option, set up the amount of max simultaneous connections. So if your Wi-Fi network will have more than 10 devices connected to it, no more devices will be able to get through it and connect to your network. You can hide the SSID or the Wi-Fi name, enable the whitelist mode, making it so that only the devices that you will add to your whitelist will be granted with the permission to connect to your network. And in order to add some device to the whitelist, just tap at the manually add whitelist device option. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.